Hello everyone, today we will do class 10th chapter 4 quadratic equations exercise 4.3 question number 1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist by the method of completing the square. Now we are going to learn this method, completing the square method to solve a quadratic equation. If you remember in exercise 4.2 we have learned factorization method, that is this method of splitting the middle term. So we will solve this quadratic equation by method of completing the square. Now this method has particular steps. So we will start with, we will write the equation. This is the given quadratic equation. The first step is, if there is any coefficient with the term containing x square, that is here the coefficient is 2 with x square, divide the equation by that coefficient. That is, we will divide the equation by 2 here. So divide the equation by 2. So we will get 2x square by 2 minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2 equals to 0. 0 by 2 is 0. So this reduces to x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equals to 0. Now the next step is the constant term. This is the term x square, x. This is the constant term. So we will take this constant term to the other side. So it will become minus 3 by 2. So the third step will be, you have to see the coefficient of x, which is 7 by 2 here. Now take that coefficient and multiply it by 1 by 2. It will be 7 by 4. Now what you have to do, the number that you are getting, we are getting 7 by 4 by multiplying the coefficient of x with 1 by 2. So the number that you are getting, you write the square of that number, add the square of that number on both sides. So let us repeat the steps. First is, you have to see the coefficient of x square, divide the equation by that coefficient. You have to take the constant term to other side, and then you have to take the term containing x and see the coefficient, which is 7 by 2. You can take that without this sign. So 7 by 2 and multiply it by half, it will be 7 by 4, and then you have to add the square of that number to both sides. Now if you will see this part, this is x square, 7 by 4 square and minus 7 by 2. This will be like this. X, now put this sign and this 7 by 4. You can see this is the square of x minus 7 by 4. You can see, use the identity a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b, and we will get this thing. So this is x minus 7 whole square, and now see the right hand side. This is minus 3 by 2 plus 49 by 16. So we will write it like this. So this is minus 3 by 2, or we can take the LCM over here. LCM is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 into 3 is minus 24 plus this is 49. So this is x minus 7 by 4 whole square, which is 49 minus 24 is 25 by 16. Now this can be written as x minus 7 by 4 whole square. Now this 25 by 16, if I will see this number, this is the square of 5 by 4. Why I have written plus minus 5 by 4 whole square? If I will take plus 5 by 4 and square it, I will get 25 by 16. If I will take minus 5 by 4 and square it, I will also get 25 by 16. Now see this. This can now be written as x minus 7 by 4. This is 5 by 4. This can be 5 by 4. If we will just square of this number is square of plus minus 5 by 4. So I'll take this as plus 5 by 4, and again it can be written as minus 5 by 4. That is, we are comparing the bases. This is an exponential number. This is an exponential number. They are equal. Their exponents are equal. So their bases are also equal. So let us solve it. This is 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. This is minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. So this will be 12 by 4, which is equal to 3. This is 2 by 4, which is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. So our answer will be the value of x is 3 and 1 by 2. Now start with the second part. 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is 2. So we will divide the equation by 2. Divide the given equation by 2. It will be x square plus x by 2 minus 4 by 2 equals to 0. So this is x square plus x by 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Second step, take the constant to other side. So it will be 2 will go to this side. Third step, take the coefficient of x, which is half. Coefficient of x is 1 by 2. Multiply it by 1 by 2. You have to multiply the coefficient of x with 1 by 2 every time. So this is 1 by 4. So the next step will be the number that you are getting, square that number and add it to both the sides like this. So it will be x square plus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 square, and this is 2 plus 1 by 16. And if you will see this is the expansion of x plus 1 by 4 whole square. A plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. When we will write 2 into x into 1 by 4, we will get x by 2. And here it will be 16 is LCM. So this is 32 plus 1. So x plus 1 by 4 whole square is 33 by 16. Now we have to see 33 by 16 is a square of which number? This can be square root of 33 over 4 whole square. When you will find the square of 33 by 4, it will be 33 by 16. Positive and negative, both value will come out to be 33 by 16. And now we will compare x plus 1 by 4 is 33 by 4 and x plus 1 by 4 is minus root of 33 by 4, right? So the similar way, these two terms are equal, their exponents are equal. So we are keeping their base as also equal, one time taking positive sign and taking negative sign. So it will be root 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4. This is minus root of 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So x is equal to 4. We can take as LCM 33 minus 1, and in this case it will be minus 33 minus 1. So these are the two solutions of the given equation. So we have third part now, and we can see the coefficient of x square is 4. So we will divide the equation by 4. So it will be like this. So we will divide each term by 4. So this is x square plus root 3x plus 3 by 4 equals to 0. So this was our first step. Second step, we will take the constant term to other side. The third step will be, we will take the coefficient of x, which is root 3. We will multiply it by half. Remember, this coefficient of x will be multiplied by half each time. So this is root 3 by 2. Now what we will do in the next step, we will add the square of the number that is coming to both the sides. So square of this and square of root 3 by 2 the other side also. Now if we will see this part, this is x plus root 3 by 2 whole square. You can see a square b square plus 2 into a into b. So that will be root 3x. And here we will get minus 3 by 4 plus this will be also 3 by 4. X plus root 3 by 2 whole square is equal to, now see, minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. It will be 0. Now you have to see a number whose square is 0. Square of 0 is 0. That means this is 0, then its square will be 0. That is, this term is 0. So we will get x is equal to minus root 3 by 2 as the answer. But this is a quadratic equation, so it should have two solutions. Since we are getting square of a number is 0, so it will have two factors. So we can write one more factor here. So this is 0. So x will be equal to minus root 3 by 2. So the two solutions of given quadratic equation by the method of completing the square is minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. So we have fourth part here, and the coefficient of x square is 2. So we will divide each term by 2. So we are getting x square, x by 2 plus 2 equals to 0. Now x square. Now this plus 2 will move to that side. It will become minus 2. And now the coefficient of x here is 1 by 2. Multiply it by 1 by 2. We'll get 1 by 4. So what we will do? We will add 1 by 4 square to both sides. So we will get here x plus 1 by 4 whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b will be x by 2, and on the right hand side we will get it like this, and this will be 16 is LCM, minus 32 plus 1. So x plus 1 by 4 whole square is minus 31 by 16. Now my question is, can a square of any number be negative? This is the square of this thing and the answer is negative. No, square of a number cannot be negative. That means we cannot solve it now, or we can write real roots do not exist. Real roots of this given equation do not exist. And this reason here is square of a number cannot be negative, as we are getting negative over here. So we can write, therefore real roots do not exist.